Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add WhatsApp chat option in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to add the WhatsApp chat option in WordPress is really easy. All you need to do is to install a plugin here. Alright, so let's just go here inside the plugin and click on the add new plugin. And in the plugin, we will simply search for join chat here. Okay, so as you can see the plugin here, join chat. So I have already installed this. Okay, so after installing this plugin, what you need to do, you simply go inside the setting of this plugin. And here, the first thing that you need to do is to add your WhatsApp account. And after that, you can simply test your WhatsApp account from here. And after that, you can add the message. So this would be the predefined text for the first message the user will send you. And here we can also select the image here. And after that, we have the tooltip and we have the position of the screen, that where you want to add the chat option. So whether you want to add it to the left or right. All right. And you can also explore the other options here, that if you only want to enable this for the mobile devices, you can simply enable it from here. And if you also want to enable this for WhatsApp web, you can also do it from here. Okay. And after that, we have the chat window, and in the chat window, we have call to action. So here you're going to simply write down your call to action, whatever it is. And after that, we have the button text, we have the theme color, and we also have the dark mode here. All right. And you can also explore the other options here if you want to. And after the general settings, we have the visibility. All right. So let's just go inside the visibility. And here in the visibility, we can configure on which page the WhatsApp button will be visible. So if you want to set it on the whole website, you select the global. But if you only want to set it on the front page or the blog page, you can also specify it from here. All right. So these are the different pages where you can specify that whether you want to show the WhatsApp button or not. All right. So after that, we have the option of the advanced settings. So in the advanced settings, we have the two options. The first one is the Google Ads conversion, and the last one is the custom CSS. And after that, we have the WooCommerce. So in the WooCommerce, we have call to action for products. We have call to action for products on sale. And you can also see that we have the message for the products. And in the last, we have the product button. Okay, so now let's just click on the save changes. So after installing the join chat, you just have to add the WhatsApp number. And after that, you can customize the setting however you want it. And then your chat button would be automatically added to your website. Okay, so now let's just visit our website here. And you can see here that our WhatsApp chat button is added on our WordPress website. So if I just click here, now you can see this, we have this predefined text that we have added on the plugin. All right. So if you want to open the WhatsApp chat, what you would do, you simply click on the open chat here. And it would go to the WhatsApp, and from here you can simply connect or chat with number of the company or organization. Okay, so this is how we can add the WhatsApp chat option in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.